The best museum labels do so much more than simply provide dry facts and figures. A well-written museum label can anticipate your questions or take you on a journey through history. Yet, these invaluable learning tools have barely changed in the last 100 years. Inherently limited by the amount of text you can fit in the available space, traditional labels are expensive and labor-intensive to create, and making updates often means starting from scratch. Now, with our digital label system, there are no limits. Include as much factual, interpretive, and descriptive text as the curator wishes. Switch font sizes on the fly to support people with visual impairments. Instantly flip between multiple languages to ensure that everyone has equal access. You can even interface directly with your collections management software to populate all your text content automatically. No need to manually enter your information. And updates can be made in seconds, even if you've already gone live. Optionally, you can supplement your text labels with high-resolution images, allowing viewers to get closer than ever before to smaller items like coins and gems. Offer a full, interactive touchscreen experience to engage your audience. Our digital labels run on regular iPads, Android tablets, and Windows touchscreens. No special hardware is required. Give your visitors a deeper learning experience, reduce your labor costs, and make your exhibitions more accessible with the ViDiC digital label system.